Add only a little bit of your spring onions. So we'll have to garnish it like this. And look at this, it's really looking amazing and tempting. So we filled inside, so we'll just bend this like that. Look at my momos, they're looking amazing. There is some traffic today in my town and everything is looking normal now and everything is looking beautiful. I'm just on my way to a short drive and I'll come. The mountain over here belongs to the national park, which is Sanjay Gandhi National Park, and many times leopards also have come down from there into the city and they have roamed around. There were a lot of pictures and people were really panicked during that time. But it's a beautiful place. I really love this place and it has a lot of memories. I have grown up over here only and a lot of good memories are here trapped in this place. I'm lucky to continue staying over here even after growing up and I really love this place. I love going on drives over here as it's like wonderful, beautiful and green. Look at this, we have reached the lake and it's stunning over here. The place is looking so pretty and look at this, this is a long way where we can walk all the way around this place, and this is all the way we can walk around and we can come back to this area forming a complete circle. So this is a very big place. This is the time for even flamingos to come over here, but it should rain even more and then you'll see beautiful flamingos flying over here. This is just the beginning of monsoon. I'll make more videos for all of you all to see so that you can see all the beautiful birds which comes over here during monsoon. So I am going to make momos today. Yes, and I know you all are so dependent on the momos made outside in the restaurant and we are not able to actually, we don't feel brave enough to buy the stuff from outside and eat. So it's better to make it at home. So I'll teach you a very easy, simple recipe how to make fried momos with Szechuan sauce. And these will be veg momos and you all can add shredded boiled chicken to your momo, this veg recipe if you all want it in a chicken momo style. But right now I'll be making veg momos and just follow my recipe. So we have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To this we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and we'll knead it with some water. So it is simple kneading, so we'll just make a soft dough out of this. So look at this, I have kneaded this into a soft dough. I have just added salt and water to this and kneaded this into a soft dough. Now we'll just keep it aside and start making the filling for the momos. So look at this, I have kept all the ingredients. This is a few capsicum, I have chopped it finely. This is cabbages, I have chopped them finely. Carrots chopped finely, and these are some spring onions and a finely chopped green chili. So all these like vegetables I have chosen to add into my momos. You all can choose any vegetables, but something like this. We cannot put brinjal and all into our momos. Okay, so remember that. So I have kept the stove on, and I have put 2 tablespoons of oil into this. Now to this I'll add ginger garlic paste. Add ginger garlic paste to this. Now one by one add all your veggies into this oil. Add only a little bit of your spring onions. Keep some for garnishing later on. Add some salt to taste. And mix it well, let it cook halfway, like completely, but let the vegetables be very crunchy. Okay, don't make it very soft. Let it be crunchy. Add some pepper powder to this. Now I'll be adding one, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. This is apple cider vinegar. So I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vinegar to this. A little bit of soya sauce, not too much, a very little bit of soya sauce. Now stir all this together and mix it well. And very quickly, just in 3 or 4 minutes, the stir frying will be done, and you have to stop the cooking immediately. Now we'll start making the process of the momos. So see, the kneaded dough which we had kept. So we'll just make balls out of it. As many momos we have to make, so we have to divide it and we have to make such balls and keep it. So I'll roll out one ball, just flatten this evenly on all the sides. So we need this big, round of our momo dough. So in this we will be adding, so adds a few green chilies to this. So the veggies are filled inside. So we'll just bend this like that. Just keep it over here like this and start bending it like this. Roll the edges inside and bring it together like this, so that everything is intact inside. And we'll bring it like this and we'll keep this aside. In the same way, I'll show you another one. Take it on your palm like this, put some veggies into it, the filling, keep it on your stand and keep bending this, rolling inside. You don't need to be a pro in this, you just have to create a momo. And see to it that your veggies don't come out when it's frying away. So this is done and you have to bring it together like this. And this is my second momo. So my oil is getting heated. Now I'll slowly add one by one all my momos to fry. I have to fry it till it gets golden brown in color. Now see, the momos have fried and none of it has opened up. So we have to really be careful while making it so that it doesn't open and the stuffing from inside shouldn't be coming out. So this wrapping of it, the bundling should be done very carefully. Now to this pan I have added some oil and I'll add those veggies which I had stir fried into this, and I will just stir it a little bit more. Now to this I'll add Szechuan sauce. Okay, this Szechuan chutney or sauce which we get from Ching's. So you can add that into this. So add this as per how much spicy you can handle. Don't add too much if you don't like too much spicy, because this is very spicy, it's very hot. To this we'll add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. And we'll add all the fried momos into this and just coat it with all the sauces like this, and it should glaze like this. See, it should look very glazed, it should shine like this. Now look at this, all my fried momos are glazed and they are looking really awesome. I'll be garnishing this with spring onions. These are freshly chopped spring onions, so we'll have to garnish it like this. And look at this, it's really looking amazing and tempting. So we can even steam these momos instead of frying it. So steamed momos are also people's favorite, so you all can steam it and eat it along with Szechuan sauce. Look at my momos, they're looking amazing. I'm sure even you all feel like eating it. So I'll taste one and let you all know how it tastes. So you all can even dip this, if you're like spicy, and you all can dip it more into some Szechuan sauce and have it. I'll just have it like that. It's very crispy. Look at the fillings inside. Happy eating, guys.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple. Simply City.